The Fermi Paradox. If aliens exist, where is everybody? Imagine standing outside on a clear night and looking up at the stars. What if I told you that our galaxy alone contains more than 100 billion stars? And beyond our galaxy, there are billions of other galaxies. With numbers this enormous, one question becomes impossible to ignore. If the universe is so vast, and there are so many planets where life could exist, where are all the aliens? Why haven't we found a single confirmed extraterrestrial civilization? This mystery is known as the Fermi Paradox, and it remains one of the greatest unanswered questions in science. A simple question that changed everything. The story begins in 1950. A famous physicist named Enrico Fermi was having lunch with colleagues when the conversation turned to UFOs and alien life. Suddenly, Fermi asked a simple question: where is everybody? At first, it sounded like a casual remark. But the more scientists thought about it, the stranger the question became. The universe is about 13.8 billion years old. Many stars are billions of years older than our sun. If intelligent civilizations can develop on other planets, some of them should have had a massive head start over humanity. Even if a civilization became advanced just 1 million years before us, a tiny amount of time on a cosmic scale, it could potentially spread across the entire galaxy. So why don't we see any evidence? The numbers don't add up. Let's think about the odds. Scientists have discovered thousands of planets orbiting distant stars. Many of them exist in what is called the habitable zone, where temperatures may allow liquid water to exist. And wherever there's liquid water, there's a possibility for life. Considering the unimaginable number of planets in the universe, many scientists believe that life should be common. In fact, statistically speaking, intelligent civilizations should exist. Yet when we look into space, we find only silence, no messages, no spacecraft, no signs of advanced alien civilizations. That's the paradox. The universe seems like it should be full of life, but we see no evidence of it. The Great Filter. One possible explanation is something called the Great Filter. The idea is simple. Somewhere between the formation of a planet and the rise of an advanced civilization, there is a barrier so difficult that almost every civilization fails to pass it. Maybe life itself is incredibly rare. Maybe simple organisms almost never evolve into intelligent beings. Or perhaps civilizations destroy themselves before they become advanced enough to explore the stars. Think about humanity. We have nuclear weapons, artificial intelligence, powerful technologies capable of changing our entire planet. What if every civilization eventually reaches a stage where its own technology becomes its greatest threat? If that's true, then the reason we don't see aliens may be because most civilizations never survive long enough. The dark forest theory. Now let's look at an even more unsettling possibility. Imagine walking alone through a dark forest. You know there may be dangerous predators hiding among the trees. Would you shout to announce your location? Probably not. You would stay quiet. This idea inspired what is known as the dark forest theory. According to this theory, intelligent civilizations do exist throughout the universe, but they remain silent because revealing their location could be dangerous. Every civilization may see every other civilization as a potential threat. As a result, everyone hides, everyone listens, and nobody speaks. If this theory is correct, the universe isn't empty at all. It's simply full of civilizations that are terrified of being discovered. What if we are being observed? Another fascinating explanation is known as the zoo hypothesis. According to this idea, advanced civilizations may already know Earth exists, but they intentionally avoid making contact. Think about how humans observe animals in a wildlife reserve. We watch them, study them, but we don't usually interfere with their natural behavior. What if humanity is being treated the same way? What if we are part of a cosmic experiment, a young civilization being observed from a distance? It's a strange idea, but it would explain why we haven't received any obvious signs of alien life. Or maybe we are alone. There's also a possibility that many people find both comforting and terrifying. Maybe intelligent life is extremely rare. Perhaps Earth is the result of an incredibly unlikely chain of events. Our planet formed in the right place, around the right type of star, with liquid water, a protective atmosphere, and billions of years of stable conditions. Maybe all those factors coming together is so rare that it has happened only once. If that's true, humanity could be alone in the observable universe, at least for now. The final possibility. But there is one more explanation. Maybe we simply haven't looked long enough. Humanity has been searching for alien signals for only a few decades. Compared to the age of the universe, that's less than a blink of an eye. Imagine taking a cup of water from the ocean and finding no fish. That wouldn't mean the ocean is empty. It would only mean you haven't searched enough. The same may be true for the universe. Perhaps alien civilizations are out there right now. Perhaps their signals are traveling through space as we speak. Perhaps one day, humanity will finally hear a message from another world. Conclusion. More than 70 years after Enrico Fermi asked his famous question, we still don't know the answer. The universe is unimaginably large. It contains countless stars, countless planets, and endless possibilities. Yet everywhere we look, we find silence. Maybe civilizations destroy themselves. Maybe they're hiding. Maybe they're watching us. Or maybe we are truly alone. Whatever the answer turns out to be, the Fermi Paradox remains one of the most fascinating mysteries in science. Because somewhere in the darkness of space, another civilization may be looking up at their own night sky and asking the exact same question. If the universe is full of life, where is everybody?